Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
We got a 2012 Mustang. We went ahead and installed the Clifford 3105. To arm the alarm, you're gonna hit lock. Locks your doors. To disarm it, you're gonna hit unlock. Unlocks your doors. Okay. It's got the starter kill, so they won't be able to, take off with the car if they break a window, open the door. The trunk, I'm gonna hold the auxiliary here on the side for 5 seconds, and that goes ahead and pops the trunk. Okay. To arm the system, you're gonna hit lock again. Or flash your parking lights around the car when the alarm fires off. If somebody tries to break a window, the alarm will go off. Panic, and one beep is armed. Instead of getting 2, you're going to get 4 now. 4 chirp means that the alarm fired off while you've been away from the car, because if this alarm fires off for any reason, it'll ring for 2.5 minutes and it'll reset. Normally when you come back to the car, you should get 2 chirps. If you get 4, that means that the alarm went off while you've been away from the vehicle. The minute you start the car, it will clear the memory and it will go back to 2 chirps. And it's always 1 chirp for arm. Okay. Panic, if you hold this button in the bottom for 4 seconds, you can fire the alarm off. And then basically it has an antenna right here on the top of the windshield. This gives you the range in the remote control. It also has the blue LED light that's going to flash at night. It lets you know that the alarm is armed or disarm or in the valet mode. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And by the way, they redesigned the remote controls. They made them smaller, slicker. It has a nice feel on your hand. The buttons are special material that they're not going to fall off like the previous alarms back in the 80s and in the 90s. So yeah, they did a real nice job. The batteries are those little round SunPass batteries. Thank you for watching this video on this 2012 Ford Mustang.